I suppose you could say that knowing how to repair an XFS file system is a little bit more important than knowing how to repair a standard extended file system. That's because the file system check does not run at system boot for XFS file systems. The file system check that we put in the fstab file is just for fscheck, and that's for our extended file systems. It's not for XFS. So we're going to have to look at maintenance windows where we can then try to remember to carry out our repairs or set some form of schedule so that it's automated. We use the XFS_repair, and there are a few options to this. One of those options includes the -L should we need to repair the log. We won't be able to repair the file system until the log is repaired. There's also an option -n, and this can be used where we just want to perform a check to report on what will be done rather than actually carrying out the repairs. Some systems have a utility called XFS_check that really does the same thing. Now let's move out now to the command line of our CentOS 7 machine and look at how we can repair these XFS file systems. So of course we're back on the command line now of our CentOS 7 machine, and we're going to go through and take a look at running the file system check. So XFS_repair, and then just report on what will be done. So -n and then /dev/sdbe1. So we can see then that no modify flag set, skipping file system flush and exiting. So we can see then that we've gone through and checked for anything, but there's no work needed to be done. So we're not actually getting a report on anything that needs to be done. If we want to actually carry out the repair, even though there was no repair indicated there, we can then go through and just run it without any options. So we see we get very similar output. If we want to know the other switches that are available, of course we can look in the man pages, but of course we can go XFS_repair and just run the --help option. And we can see then that there are a few other options that we can run. If you look towards the bottom of the output, we've got then the -D, which is repair dangerously. So if you want to live on the edge, then maybe that's the option for you. Let's return to the slides now and take a look at how we can use the inbuilt features of backup and restore within the XFS file system.